Now we're going to create the pillow of the chair. So choose the object cube in 3D shapes. And let's specify the width, height, and depth, and number of segments, as we see here in the video. Now place the object on the seat of the chair. We want to be able to recognize the stage easily, so we'll change the color for better recognition. For further work with individual parts of the object, we need to enable the view mode Mesh plus wireframe. We hide the chair itself for convenience. For further work with a pillow, choose the function Polygon. Select the top polygon and using the tool Scale by one of the axes. In the control panel, switch to the deformation of the anchor points to vertex mode. Using the tool Move, place the anchor points, specifying a particular shape for the object. Now, turn off the deformation of the anchor points mode. Smooth the object by increasing the size of the segment net in round objects. We'll choose smoothness, the value 3, and confirm the action of the modifier. Remove the effect of the hidden objects, so we'll see them. And now scale the pillow relative to the seat edge.